In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll start by bringing the workflow template into n8n. Open n8n, click the three dots in the top bar, choose Import from Clipboard, paste the JSON you were given, and click Import. You'll see the nodes appear in your canvas. Leave the workflow inactive for now so nothing runs prematurely while we configure credentials. Next, set up Apify so we can fetch YouTube transcripts. Head to apify.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. In the dashboard, go to Actors and search for YouTube Transcript Scraper. Open that actor, then switch to the API tab. You'll see a ready-made post endpoint tailored to your account. Copy the entire post URL exactly as shown. It includes your authentication token as a query parameter, so be sure to keep it secure and don't trim anything off the end. Back in n8n, open the node named Request YouTube Transcript. In the URL field, paste the full Apify API URL you just copied. Confirm the HTTP settings. Method should be post, send body must be enabled, and body type set to JSON. For the JSON body, make sure it includes the start URL's value that points to the YouTube link you'll supply via the form. In other words, your payload should reference the full URL field from the workflow input, so the actor knows which video to process. Click Save to lock in those settings. Now connect OpenAI for summarization. Open the Summarization Engine node and create a new credential. Paste your OpenAI API key securely and save. Without valid credentials here, the summarization step will fail, even if the transcript is retrieved correctly. Time to test. Click Execute Workflow. When prompted, paste a complete YouTube video URL, including the HTTPS and the full path, then submit. Watch the Request YouTube Transcript node's output. You should see transcript text returned in the response data. If the transcript appears, the summarization step will follow through and produce a clean summary. Once everything looks good, activate the workflow. From now on, you can paste any YouTube link, and the process will run automatically. Here's what this workflow does end-to-end. You provide a YouTube link, Apify grabs the transcript, OpenAI summarizes it, and n8n returns the result. It's fast, hands-off, and designed to be reused as often as you need.